A very good morning, students. This is the EVS class of Standard 3rd. Students, we were doing chapter 7, Water and Us. This is the part 2. In this module, we will learn how do we get drinking water at our home. Now, underground water and how do we get it? And importance of drinking clean water. Let us see first how do we get drinking water at our home. Now let us learn about how do we get water in our home. At home, we get drinking water through taps. Before it reaches our home, it is purified by big machines called water treatment plant. After purification, water is collected in big tanks called reservoirs. From these tanks, it reaches our home through big pipes. Every house in a colony gets water from the same tank through big pipes connected to its taps. This is the way to get water in our homes. Some water goes into the soil. This is called underground water. Underground water fills the spaces between soil particles and fractured rock beneath the earth's surface. Wells and tube wells are dug to get this water. Hand pumps are also used to draw underground water. In many villages in India, people draw water from wells, tube wells, and hand pumps. Some people also use water from lakes, rivers, and streams, but water should be cleaned and purified before drinking because dirty water has germs. And drinking dirty water can cause diseases like jaundice and typhoid. So, water should be kept in clean containers. We must cover these containers properly. This prevents germs and dust from entering it. In the rainy season, tap water sometimes becomes unfit to drink. We should drink clean water. When we find the water dirty, we should first clean it by boiling. Boiling kills the germs. We also clean water by using a water filter. In some houses, electrical water purifiers are used to purify water. These purifiers are connected to the tap. Most homes do not get water the whole day from the reservoirs. Even those people who get water from ponds, wells, lakes, and rivers need to store water. Some of the commonly used containers to store water are drum, jug, tank, bottle, and bucket. However, in slum areas, there is a common tap where people gather to collect water. Now, your homework is name the rivers near which the following cities developed. Use the words given in the help box. And question number 2. Some of the commonly used containers to store water are given in the word grid. Find them and write their names in the given spaces. Question number 3 is write T for true and F for false statements. Do in your homework copy.